Thanks for watching today. We're working on a 2016 Toyota RAV4. As you can see, there's several dents. I think there was at least 15 dents here. It's actually from a gentleman's walker. The way that the vehicle was parked in his garage, he went down the staircase every day and his walker was hitting the car, hence the dents here. As you can see here in the video, I am removing the bumper corner just to gain better access. I actually ended up removing the complete bumper cover. Not a very big job, but certainly something you have to be very careful with. This gained lots of access through the lower portion, through that large hole there, which gave a much better access for a sharper tool to have perfect pinpointing capabilities. Here are the final results. If this is something that you enjoyed watching, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more future videos. Thanks for watching and have yourself a great day.